friends, I'm Anna Hellman. Thanks so much for being here with me today. Would you love to be able to have hundreds of sentiment tags made up for your cards and other projects that you could have pre-made and on hand for when you are creating? Now, would you love even more to be able to make up all of these tags in just minutes? I have a really neat product to share with you today that I want to show you, and it is going to allow you to make up hundreds of tags you can have on hand. I store mine here in this handy little tackle box for fishing. It's really nice. It has these adjustable pieces. You can move around and make the compartments different shapes and sizes for your tags and sort them by occasion. So if you're thinking that this sounds familiar, it is possible you've seen one of my other videos not too long ago about a similar set, but we have a new one in the new Stampin' Up catalog, and I want to show you how this works. Okay, the stamp set is called Mini Happenings. Now, when I call it a stamp set, that is not exactly accurate because it is a stamp. It is one stamp that has, now I didn't count these, but the last one had 19, so I'm guessing it's 19 again. 19 different sentiments. You stamp it all at once. Then, here's the amazing part. You bring in your one large die that coordinates with the entire thing, and you cut all of it out all at one time. So in just a few minutes, I will share with you how to use this. I'm going to show it to you in action. But real quick, let's look at the previous stamp set we had, now the new stamp set that we had, and some of the sentiments that come with them. So this is the one we had before. It's called Many Messages, and I can link to you right here, link to the video I made originally on this stamp set and how it works. So this one, the sentiments that come in it, a lot of them are for birthday, hello, congratulations, anniversary, thank you, a few all occasions. Now, this new one can be paired with the same die, which is fantastic, but it has some different types of greetings in it, which is really nice. So we have thinking of you, weddings, baby, retirement, sympathy, encouragement, and again, a few all occasion stamps. So I love, love, love this set. Now let me show you exactly how this works. And when I'm stamping with this large stamp, I love to use my Stamparatus to make sure I get the whole thing inked. And then if I don't get it inked properly, I can always stamp a second time. So I'll lay my stamp on here, get it mounted. When I do these, I like to create sentiments in different colors. So sometimes I use white cardstock, sometimes I use a different color of cardstock. If you noticed when I showed you my tackle box, there were different colors of cardstock and different colors of ink on a lot of those different sentiments. That way, no matter what my card looks like, I have different options for which color tag I pull out. So I got that stamped. Now what we are going to do is run that through the cut and emboss machine with our one big die and cut those out all at one time. So here's my machine. Have my plates. We'll lay this on top of that bottom clear plate. Line this up. If you have a hard time lining these up, you can use some washi tape to hold it in place. I usually don't have too much of a problem. What I find is I really like to line up the stars and the hearts. And once the stars and the hearts are lined up, all the sentiments should be lined up as well. Okay, so we'll crank this through. And this is truly amazing. I love, love, love these products. So now as we remove our die, you're going to see all of these different tags that we have just created in just probably about a minute. So pop these out. So you could sit down for an hour or so, stamp different colors. You can emboss them with some gold or some different colors. Cut them all out. Get yourself a tackle box and get them organized into those proper sections. So look how easy that is to create. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention that you can do with this is to use your own sentiment stamps with this same die. And let me show you how that works. So here I'm bringing in one of the die cut pieces from the die and another sentiment stamp with my own small sentiments. What you can do is line up your own sentiments with this die. Get them put on in the locations you want them, wherever they fit with the little tags. And do a few of those at a time until you have them all filled with your own sentiment stamps. Then you can use this as your template to stamp on your cardstock, and they will be all lined up perfectly to cut them out with your one die. So right here, I am going to link you to a video I made just on how to do this part right here. So there are a lot of things you can do with the mini messages, the mini happenings, and that coordinating messages die. So thanks so much for joining in. If you're interested in adding these products to your collection, I'm going to link in the video description below to where you can order them through my online store. I really appreciate you shopping with me, and I appreciate you spending your time with me here today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you join me again next time when I will be back helping you to hand make with love.